Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how do you um, get the Instagram notes on any device. Right now I'm using an iPhone, but the same procedure would be for Android phones as well. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So if I open up my Instagram, let me just go back real quick. And if I go to my inbox here, you can see that a few people, only two actually, have left a note, and you can see that the XYZ person shared a note, and you can reply to this note, whatever, or you can add your own note. But you see, some people might not be able to see this. Why is that? Usually, well, since it's a new feature, they probably have not updated their Instagram app. So we're gonna go to App Store and then we're gonna search for Instagram. And then right now it says open, but in case there was an update pending, you would just update the Instagram app and it should possibly fix it. Additionally, one more thing you could do would be to going to your settings, going to general, going to iPhone storage. Let's give it a second to load up. And then we're gonna find Instagram by searching. I'm gonna search because I have many apps, and you can offload the app, and then once you're done offloading, it would show a option to reinstall, and you can reinstall the app and that should fix it. So I hope this video was helpful. Do comment in the comment box and let me know if it worked for you. Thank you guys for sticking. Thank you.